Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain how to get trinkets and Blox Fruits. So let's get straight into it. Now, trinkets are special items that boost your stats by applying multipliers to your base values, meaning they can make your damage, defense, or other abilities significantly stronger. And some trinkets even come with unique effects, making them super valuable for both grinding and combat. So how do you actually get them? Now, the main way is by completing dungeons. Now, dungeons are PvE game mode available only in C2 or in C3. Now, you need to have progressed that far in the game first. And once you're there, open the server browser, this one at the top right corner, look for dungeon option, just click this to join a dungeon server. Now, inside dungeons, you'll take on waves of enemies and complete runs. Successful dungeon runs can drop trinkets as rewards. So the more you play, the more chances you have to get for you to get better ones. But it doesn't stop there. Once you have trinkets, you can fuse them together to make them even stronger. You can also enhance them and add modifiers, allowing you to customize their effects to match your playstyle. Now, to do all of this, you'll want to talk to the NPCs inside the dungeon hub. His name is Lucien, so they handle fusing, upgrading, and managing your trinkets. And so, if you want powerful stat boosts and cool effects, your best bet is to grind dungeons, collect trinkets, and upgrade them over time. Again, once you hit level level 700, that's the only time you'll be able to unlock C2, and you'll be able to enter dungeon, speak to Lucien to play the dungeon server. And that's about it. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.